Guess who?
I am bored stiff. Where is my court jester? Dooley!
Coming, sire.
Do something funny, Jester. Make me laugh.
Watch this. I'm a rooster.
That gag laid an egg, Dooley.
Watch this. This'll kill you.
You know, Dooley, I don't think I'll pick up your option.
How much wood would a woodpecker peck if a woodpecker would peck wood?
This little fellow is very funny. That gives me an idea. You, fetch me that woodpecker.
Yes, sire.
And make haste, or off with your head.
Yes, sire. Lower the drawbridge. Raise the drawbridge. Gadzooks, lower the drawbridge.
Yeah.
Oh, I hate him.
Stand back!
Dooley, bring that woodpecker here.
Yes, sire. Here he is, your highness. Yeah.
Ouch! Ouch! Oh! Oh! Ouch! Oh! Ouch!
Stand right here, Shorty. Hold this.
Like this?
Like this.
All righty.
Dooley, what are you doing now? Ain't funny, Dooley?
Oh, how much wood would a woodpecker? Whoa.
Another one of your little jokes, eh, Dooley? Very funny.
Tain't funny, Dooley.
Now bring me that comical woodpecker.
Trying to get my job, eh? Why, you...
Dooley, hide in here.
Thanks, pal. That little fella's all right. He's all heart. Yeah? Lower the drawbridge!
Coming down. Oops, sorry.
What's going on here? Here comes the woodpecker.
You! Make me laugh again, Jester.
This gag will be great when someone invents television.